A quick refresher on finding slope. Okay, if you can find it from 2 points, you can find it from graphs and tables, because remember, tables are just a set of points. Graphs are just a set of points, right? So if we can find it from points, we should be able to find it from any other representation. All right, so here's how it goes. Remember, you have your x and your y, okay? That's half the battle, is knowing what your coordinates are. And so we want to find how those change. And when we talk about change, we're asking how far apart are the coordinates. Okay, remember we're comparing our y coordinates to the x coordinates. So I'm looking at -8 to 12. Well, from -8 all the way to +12, I'm going 20 spaces positive. Okay, and we could think of a number line. I'm all the way at -8. I want to get to +12. If I make a pit stop at 0, I'm going up 8 just to get to 0, and then I go up 12 more to get to 12. So adding those together gets me 20. Okay, so my change in y is going to be +20. Okay, we do the same thing with our x values. Okay, 3 to -9. Okay, so think about our number line. I'm trying to think where I want to draw it. And I'm drawing this one horizontal just to make that connection that x is horizontal where y was vertical. So this time I'm starting at 3. I want to get all the way to -9. If I pit stop at 0, that might help me with that distance, right? So I know I have to go backwards 3, and then I would have to go 9 more backwards. When I put 9 and 3 together, that gets me -12. Okay, so I put -12. And then you would simplify this, okay, because both of these can be divided by 4. And you could use Desmos to help you with that simplifying, right? And so we get 5/3, and this is negative. At that point, I'm going to bring the negative out front, and I have a negative slope. That's how you find slope, okay? How do your y values change compared to how your x values change? How far apart are your y values? How far apart are your x values?